We're about to show you on board the new Targa 32 Coupe. Now this 32-foot model from the Finnish builder will be very familiar to many of you, but with an outside upper steering position. This boat has a coupe top and an aft deck door instead, but many of those very cool Targa features are still there, including close to 50 knot performance. This 2-cabin boat in its standard guise starts at around 340,000 euros ex VAT. Let's get you on board and show you around. I'm Richardson and you're watching YachtBuyer. So it makes all sorts of sense to start our tour here in the aft deck, and that is because on the standard 32 model we have a ladder up here to a 2-seater sort of flying bridge driving position. But if you don't want that upper driving position, you can now have these sliding glass windows and this door, and obviously that's letting a lot more light into that warm, rich wheelhouse that Targa is so famous for. But also you've got this aft deck access, that's really good. Otherwise the layout is largely the same. We have these great walk around decks. On this particular model we have the forward cockpit, but you can have what Targa call the comfort cabin package, and that pushes the coach roof out, and what that does is give you a much bigger forward cabin. A couple other things I'd love to point out while we're here. One is this beautiful rich teak capping that now runs all the way around the boat. It's got this beautiful radius on it. We can also see here that this is the black package on this particular boat, so the stainless steel is swapped for this black anodized stanchion post, and actually that works really well with the hull colours that are available. Targa will finish your yacht in whatever coloured gel coat you like. It is an option, but you can have any colour you like. We have this beautiful sort of olive khaki colour on this boat. There's a really very handsome blue hull over there, but it's that attention to detail and that sort of want to work with the owners and create a very customised boat that really sets Targa out. So we're now in this iconic, now I think it's fair to say, Targa wheelhouse, and between the standard 32 Targa and this coupe model there is no difference. We have that same surround of dinette seating, we have this reversible navigator position here. We've got this great pilot house. This is actually an update. There's a little bit more suspension on this particular seat, but this will be familiar, I think, to many of you. And then moving down, we have the sort of standard cabin, which gives us that full walk around deck, but that cabin can be extended forward to give you a bigger space. Just behind here, we have the aft cabin, and that's where the toilet and shower compartment is. But interestingly, and one of the things that again sets this boat apart, for 32 foot, it's not just a double cabin down there. There are actually 3 berths in there. So you've got a single and a double and the toilet. So that's a really great family cabin down there. Another thing you're winning with the coupe is this ability to fit a sliding sunroof here. You would normally have a hatch on the flybridge boat, but because we've got that space behind, you can now slide this sunroof back. It is an option though. And also something on this boat, actually above, you may have noticed earlier, we've actually got like a roof rack on here for surfboards and stuff. That was a very bespoke item for this particular owner. All the way around here we have lots and lots of clever stowage compartment. The galley lives under here, tucked away. It's another classic Targa bit of design, but what they have done now, they've got improved and specialist storage areas, so everything's become a bit slicker and a bit more considered. Sat here at the Helm Station of the Targa 32 Coupe. It's exactly the same design and layout as the standard Targa 32. We've got excellent forward visibility through these forward rake windows. In fact, the visibility all the way around is superb. We've also got this side door, which not only gives you access, immediate access on deck if you're single-handing the boat by yourself, but also some much needed ventilation. If you're blasting on the water at 34 knots, that's going to add a certain amount of life to proceedings as well. Talking about speed, Targa offer a vast range of engines across all of its models. On this particular boat you can have single or twin diesel engines all running on stern drive. The maximum rated twin installation at 440 horsepower each. That's the D6 Volvo Penta engine. That's what's pushing this boat to its top speed of around 48 to 50 knots. The recommended installation, talking to a few people here at Targa, seems to be the twin D4 320 horsepower engine from Volvo Penta, that's still pushing you to close to 40 knots. So that is not slow by any standards. And it's a great balance between power, efficiency and value on the overall cost of the boat. In terms of the helm console, we're sitting here, we have an adjustable wheel, we have multifunction display screen straight ahead, but it's not in any way inhibiting your view forward. We've got the twin throttles here, and on this particular boat we've got the joystick control just sitting slightly further forward. Whether or not you need a joystick control on a 32-foot boat, I'll leave that to you. It's around a €20,000 extra. My personal feeling is, with the stern drives and knowing how easy these boats are to handle, that maybe is one particular item that you don't need to cost in. So that was the Targa 32 in its new coupe guise. I hope you liked it. If you did, please do like us. And if you'd like to see more of what we're doing at YachtBuyer, click up here. Alternatively, do subscribe by clicking here. Thanks for watching. I'm Carl Richardson and you've been watching YachtBuyer.